Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As always, I really appreciate it. Today I'm back at you guys with another tutorial. I am actually doing my hair for you guys so that you can actually learn. This is a video that I'm doing due to public demand. You guys have really requested on my DMs, on YouTube, the comment section. You've been blowing it up with all this questions on how I style my hair, and that's what we are doing today. This is a hair tutorial. I hope you're going to enjoy, learn a lot from it. I'm going to show you the tips, the tricks on how to make your hair slick, always on point like I do. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I have this band on and my hair really looks like a mess, guys. I've just taken off the hairband and I have this hair tie. So as you can see, my hair is very dry, flaky, and I haven't washed it for quite a while. So you can see it also has the dead ends and all that. So the first thing I would like to do is I take my Mazuri Shea Zuri hair butter. This is just hair butter. So that's how it looks inside first of all. So as you can see, it's almost over because I keep on using it too much. So I take a little bit of that. Let me just show you the amount that I use. Shea butter is also good for your hair. You can moisturize with it because it locks in that moisture. So it's very good. So you can see that, and I'm just massaging it all over my hands so that I can now massage it onto my hair. So make sure you apply it everywhere. First, moisturize your hair, guys, because you want the hairstyle to hold for long. Make sure you get the ends, the dead ends. You can keep adding the oil. Okay, so and notice that I have not yet combed my hair. So massage it all in. You can see the shea butter makes it shine a little bit and it doesn't leave the flakes a lot. So I'm just going to make sure that I massage that in, and once I sprinkle it with water, it's going to be good. So now you take your afro comb. This is the afro comb that I'm using. Then now comb your hair. You don't want to just apply the gel once it's not combed out. So I've already just made sure that my hair is soft and good to go. This is the amount of hair that I've lost in this process. So yeah. So now, since everything is already moisturized and you've combed it through, the next step is to make sure you have a water bottle, a spray water bottle. I have this. I got this set from Miso. So I'm now going to start spraying my hair. I will prefer a mist bottle, but if you have this, just use what you have. Now make sure you wet your hair. Sprinkle it all over, guys. Just massage it into your hair like so. Also, don't forget the back because you're still trying to sleek that. You can just spray as you massage it. You're not trying to wet the hair completely, guys. And then next, take this. This is a wig brush. So that's how mine looks like. And then just brush the hair downwards. You can see that the hair is so smooth that this doesn't tangle up. And hold on to my hair. Just brush it down completely, guys. By the way, my hair is relaxed, but it already has some growth and I need to retouch it. But as for now, for anyone who has relaxed or natural hair, it just doesn't matter. You can follow these steps. they will definitely work. So after brushing it down, the next thing is to take your Eco Styler gel. So this one is the styling gel, which is crystal, and it is written that it is for all hair types. It defines, adds body. So there are different types of Eco Styler gel, but this one is the one that I prefer. This one is the crystal Eco Styler gel. That's how it looks like. So as you can see, I've really used mine, and that's the amount that is left all the way down. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. You don't need too much gel, by the way, so about that much. You've moisturized your hair, you've combed it down. Now the next step is to take the gel. So just put it on your palm, rub it a little bit, and then just apply it all over your hair. Just massage it like you massaged the water into your hair. You can add some more gel. Let's add some on the ends. And as you can see, the gel is just making sure that my hair is flat as possible. So, and this process is actually not yet done. So once you've applied the gel, you need to make sure you already know the hairstyle that you want. And since I really love the mid part, I'm going to take this comb. This is the type of comb that I just make a straight line on my hair with, because it is like sharp right here. So I'm going to make sure that I just go in the middle. You can see that. It should not be perfect on the first round. Once you make that, just comb a little bit on that side and on that side, depending on the hairstyle you want. I like my line going all the way. So just keep brushing your hair, guys. That line looks straight enough. I'll take the same brush and then brush depending on the side that or the style that you created. So now I'm still going to take the same comb and then just brush it like that. But once I reach on my ear, I hold it and then just bring my hair down. Also on the same side, make sure your hair is like forward and then bring it down. And then just hold your ear and bring your hair down. So now we hold the hair. I'm using one scrunchie. Make sure it's very tight, guys. So that's how the knot looks like. So before I form a band right there behind, I'm now going to work on my baby hairs so I can lay it. And so now for my baby hairs, I'm still going to use the Eco Styler gel. So I'll just put a little bit on my hand and then just apply it on the front part. Then the remaining I just apply over the hair. Now something that I'd want to advise everyone: no one needs a toothbrush, no one needs a toothbrush, everyone needs a spoolie. This is what I'm talking about. If you don't know what a spoolie is, this one is what we use to just brush our eyebrows up. So I really love using this on my baby hairs because it does the magic. So what I'm going to use, how I'm going to use it rather, is I'm just going to first flatten that part, brush it down. You can see how it makes my hair lay, because the bristles are just too thin and it makes it so sleek. So as you can see, I'm just brushing it down and the hair lays completely, guys, completely. So you can see that. Now let me also work on this other part. So you can see it's very easy. You can turn it, you can use it like this. And then you just brush it downwards. Now let's work on the baby hairs. So I'm not trying to create any space between my hair. So for that part, you can see it just brushes my baby hairs depending on the way that I want to just brush them. I also need some right there. Then just lay it down. And let's take some hair. And then just brush it down. You can see that part is already coming to play and the hair right there is like slicked. This doesn't happen with a toothbrush, guys. So let's work on this other side too. You can create new, like how you want to just make sure that your baby hairs are laid. This brush just makes you pick up the right amount of hair, not too long. So just keep on working on that part. We are also trying to make it as similar as this other side. So you can see I'm just curving it, bringing it like that, and yeah, I lay it down. Also on this other part. Then just bring a little bit right there, then bring this top hair and lay it down. Simple. You can see the baby hairs are really laid. For the ponytail, you're going to need some black rubber bands. So they easily like cut off. So you need like 3 to 5. So I just took 3 right there, put them in my hand, and then for this part I have to turn around. You can see the hair is just ponytail right there. So I'm just folding it. I fold it, make a spiral as I go around. I'm making sure that I'm tucking in the hair and also holding it as much as possible till the last end. Make sure that it is secure before I tie in the rubber band. And then just like that. Your hair is good to go. So you can see that I formed a bun right there. And I'm sure it looks as good because I can feel it too. So yeah, that's just basically it. Now let me work on putting a scarf over my head. I'm going to use a scarf that will go all over so that it can really lay my edges and like the hair down. So I'm going to leave this scarf on for like 10 minutes as I do some other things. I can also do my makeup. Then I'll take it off with you guys so you can be able to see how my hair looks, and then we can continue with this process. So it's been 10 minutes, time to take off the scarf. Okay, so let me just open it up let's see the magic that just happened. You can see how laid my hair looks like, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So you can see what the processes just made it look like. Now to just top it all off, since I want it to shine, I'm going to use this. It is a 4-in-1 braid spray with anti-dandruff. It's by Darling. That's how it looks. I think it's also a little bit new in the market, so I'm just going to spray it all over. And just rub it in a little bit so it cannot be wet, and you can see the shine that it leaves, guys. Look at that. And it's also making your hair like be healthy, so that's something I will definitely recommend if you're trying to sleek your hair down, natural or relaxed. So the next one I'm going to use is this one that you use on wigs. It's low dyes. I bought this one from Perida. I'm just going to take a little bit of it, just some 2-3 pumps is enough. Massage it and then apply it. You can see the shine that it leaves on my hair, guys. So I use the braid spray and I use the low dyes. So I will recommend either of them, but I prefer using both because they're just all about giving the shine. So yeah, that's as simple as how I lay down my hair looks like. That's my hair, and I hope you guys have learned. Let me just do my makeup and then I can come back with a final look. You guys are going to be the judge of everything. You'll tell me if you enjoyed, if you learned something from this, but I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get right into the final look.